Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, Taylor.
Headed what?
Put your paper up there and do whatever you want. You want to shoot that last one, right?
I'm scared.
Go. Hold it tight.
My face still be on it when I shoot it?
Yeah.
Yes.
His bitch ass.
Oh, fuck. You got that, Adam?
Yeah. He's moving all the way back.
Oh. Machine gun.
That's the shitty gun?
I just blew their fucking neck off, and I been hitting them straight in the chest. Give me this fucking shotgun. This shit is raw. This shit is raw. Oh, I did a headshot.
No headshots.
I know.
You're out. My
All
turn.
right, here.